Welcome back everybody to another Halloween product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at a ghost inflatable. This was sent to me by our good friends at OurWarm. They're makers of Halloween and Christmas and general party supplies. They sell things on Amazon. I'll be sure to put their information in the description below, as well as links to the inflatable that we'll be taking a look at today. They actually, as you can see, sent me two inflatables, but we're only going to be taking a look at the first one today. You'll have to stay tuned to the next video to see what else they sent me. But the first one is pretty cool, I think. However, you can't really tell from the box what it is. It does come in this cute little sort of retro-ish Halloween box. Got some nice little pumpkins and a little black cat and a bat and everything on the front, but again, you can't really tell what it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at their page on Amazon. All right, so here we go. This is a rotating light ghost. It's 5 feet tall. It has a pumpkin and a little I guess a jack-o'-lantern that is, I guess, looking like a little treat bag, and a little boo bag, and it's got a little witch's hat. I think it's pretty cute. It retails for $26.99. It is on Prime, so you can get fast free delivery if you're a Prime member. Unfortunately, they don't have any reviews. This is one of their brand new products that they wanted to offer, and I am excited to show you. I'm pretty impressed with how much information they put on their the advertisement here on Amazon. As you can see, they put all of the dimensions here in one image, and they tell you how you can stake it down. You can put something heavy in it. That's actually my preferred method, rather than staking it down. Although this is kind of interesting here. You can see the stakes, they don't really have tether cords. They just stake right into the ground. So maybe, although it does show cords here, however, in this image, we see that they're really just staked right into the ground, which might be a good method. I've never seen that before. I'm excited to see how that works out. Oh, but it does actually come with ropes here, it says. It has UK to US plugs, 3 stakes. This looks fun. I love that face. And just a comparison between theirs and other vendor products. Looks like they compare their 5-foot inflatable to the typical 4-foot inflatable. And this one's got some sort of fun lighting effect inside. I can't wait to see what that's all about. And of course, that fun little box that we looked at a moment ago. And there we go. There it is again. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what it looks like. Okay, we've got our stakes. It does come with the cords, like I said. Actually, I think in that picture it showed 3 stakes, but there's actually 5 in my bag. And then we have our inflatable. As we unravel it, you can see it is pretty hefty. I like that it comes very compact. Now, I don't see that there really is any sort of adapter for a UK version, so maybe it just depends on where you're ordering from. They just automatically send you the appropriate one you need. But mine clearly has a US plug on here. I can tell there is a little light in the bottom of this. Oh, it's actually lighting up when I press it like that. Anyway, so let's go ahead, take this outside, plug it in, and see how it works. All right, here we go. Now, in the back, we do have a zipper, so we're going to want to make sure before we inflate it that that is closed. I'm going to go ahead and untie this cord here. Now, it does look offhand like this is a very lengthy cord, which is nice. So if you're going to have this inflated somewhere near an outlet, like at, right in front of your home, this is probably going to be sufficient. I mean, look at that cord. It's very, very long. However, for our purposes, we are way out here in the trees. So let me go ahead and plug it in to my extension cord, and let's watch it inflate. So again, we did have this light that shines up from the bottom. I think when it inflates, that'll probably sit flat, but let's just give it just a moment. It's supposed to be 4 feet wide, which is nice. It's a short prop, but it's a wide prop, and we like fat little ghosts, so. The fan, as you can see in the back, it's located high up off the ground, so you really don't have to worry about, it getting stuck, or leaves, or ground debris getting stuck in there to block the fan. It's sufficiently high. There is a tether here on the bottom. There is a tether here, 2 of them in the front. So I don't see any tethers in the top half of the inflatable, but that's fine because it's not really going to blow over. But there we go. What do you think? Let's take the camera and bring it in, take a closer look. One thing I'm noticing that I really like about this prop is that the lighting from inside is very noticeable. It is still daylight outside and you can see the lighting effect. I love that. And look at the expression on this guy's face. It's just fun and cute. He's got a nice little witch's hat and his little trick-or-treat bag. On the other side, we just have a pumpkin that says boo. And close up of that swirling light effect. Now, it looks like you can kind of adjust the lighting in the base if you need to, because mine originally started off a little skewed, but I just adjusted it, and now it seems to be fine. I love the swirling ethereal effect of that lighting. Here in the dark, you can really see the lights shine. It's got good lights in both of the side pumpkins, and that swirling effect again looks even better at night. The only problem, I think, is that the hat itself doesn't really light up. So once it gets a little bit darker, you'll probably lose that altogether unless you have some external lighting. But overall, it's great. All right, so what did you think? I really love the expression on this ghost's face because if you look at it one way, it could be like an expression of terror. If you look at it the other way, it's more like a surprise, like a kid-friendly sort of, but not in a terror way. So this is a great prop, I think, for kids, but I think it will equally fit because of that, oh my God, something's happening, look. It can fit in with my more scarier ghosts as well. I really like the props too that he's carrying, the little pumpkin bag and the little pumpkin that says boo and the witch's hat. It really adds that little extra element of fun to this prop. So combine those with the awesome lighting effect and this gets 2 big thumbs up from me. So I really love to hear what you think. Be sure to leave me a comment below and be sure to check out OurWarm and their Amazon products. Again, I'll put the link to this inflatable and more in the description below, so check them out if you like. And once again, a big thank you to them for providing this inflatable for us to take a look at. That'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Happy haunting.